Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, no. Careful. If I hear whining, you're going to go to your room. Careful. Remember, take control of the dog. Put your hand on his nose and tell him no bite. Scratch his ear. Oh my God, a bird! She just hit the wall. Oh no. Oh my God. The bird just flew into the window.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. A dove.
Oh my gosh, she just flew into the window.
Oh no.
She's injured, I think, guys. I think I got it on tape. She just flew into the window.
Oh my God. Let's put her over there by the... No, she's good. She's good. See, that's why they have those stickers on the windows.
What stickers?
No, it looks like a bird, so they know there is like some kind of eagle, and they don't go there because they see eagle.
Come here.
Oh,
Oh, you're okay? Come here.
A little bit. Nick, Lolly. Nick.
Okay.
Oh, gosh.
It's okay. Oh, she's okay. She flew away. She made it. Wow, what a video. What a video, guys.
Made it.
That was
And
awesome.
a blue jay was driving there.
You saw a blue jay over there?
He just flew. I gave them food this morning. See, they like food.
Let's see where the bird went. Hey, buddy. What's she doing out here? Where'd the birdie go? Huh. Hey, Lollipop. Lollipop. Good morning, girl. Good morning. Yeah.
I heard how loud was that.
Yeah.